until March 29th. The festival features colorful parades, folk dances and cultural performances, showcasing Goa's rich traditions. Also known as Shigmotsav, the festival marks the arrival of spring in Konkan way and is celebrated annually in the month of Falgun by the Hindu community in Goa. The 2-week arts and cultural festival is a significant event that highlights Goa's heritage and festive spirit.